What do you think that why you did not started learning AI automation till date? Because you want to start with big breakthroughs, you want to start with the complex automation systems, you want to do something that is really complex. So calm down, don't try to make it complex. I'm here to simplify the process. I will be helping you to learn AI automation. In that journey, I will be with you. So advise that start simple, start today, start small. Okay, so why not start with make.com? So what is make.com and why I use the make.com as a starter platform for AI automation? Automation is not a new thing. Workflows are not new terms. Robotic process automations are not new thing. And there are business process automation is also not a new thing. What's in it? Why these are getting hype these days? So basically with the AI, all these processes are becoming intelligent day by day. So business process outsourcing, as you know, that was a term. It was outsourcing by the large organizations to the smaller companies, or maybe in third world countries, to automate manually by their the remote resource, and they are delegating their work to the small companies, and they're working for large organizations, and they are just, you can say that, augmenting their human resource. And the main purpose is to achieve the goal of any organization by augmenting the workflows. So here in any AI automation, we have any business goal, we identify that what steps are involved in it, and how we will do it by using the connectivity of the apps, including the modern LLM models, how they are helping them, how they are manipulating, and how they are adding value into the workflow, and we will get a perfect solution as we are looking for. Okay, so before going on why we should use the make.com, I will tell that I would like to say that all the businesses revolve around the business growth in the form of revenue, profit, or scalability in research, or how much the company is making by doing that particular task. And this is the main point. Okay, if you are stuck with it and you pitch your all services around it, the business owner will listen it. Business owner will tell you, okay, how we can improve our business, how we can automate our marketing, finance, IT, because business is spending money on it, and the owner want relief from that spendings. So it will be give space. If you automate it, it will give space to the business to grow by saving, by cutting their cost and increasing their revenue. So of course it will increase the profit margins as well. So why we should start with make.com? First of all, if you want to explore many tools at the same time, you will burn out and you will not continue with it. So I will say start simple, because this is also I also face this problem. Whenever I trying to start something, I always make it complex, and I try to make it I don't know what, but maybe I try to be a perfectionist, so it doesn't happen. I mean, sometimes it delays, and sometimes it never happened. Okay, so simple thing is start simple, start small, and continuously doing it, so it will be improved with time, because when you do again and again, it will of course be better each day. So now we move on, and I have some reasons why we should start with the make.com. Make.com is not new thing. It's 2016 when it started, and its previous name was Intergumate. It is not a new enterprise. So many other large companies are trusting on the make.com, like Meta, like Spotify, like other organizations, hundreds of organizations, and they are claiming that 350,000 satisfied customers are there, and they are trusting on the make.com. So why not? Why you should not start with make.com and learn it simply and continue with it, and of course it will be valuable. Second thing is, I would like to advise that you should learn parallel. If you are new to the tools, and you are new to the data structures, you are new to the programming, you don't need to learn programming from scratch, but I will advise that you should know that what are basically the data structures, how data structures work, how APIs work, how you can connect data from one endpoint to another endpoint, how you do the different functions of different kind of data. Means if data is alphabets, how do you deal with it? If these are numeric, how do you deal with it? Simple things you must know that before jumping in. And furthermore, I would like to advise that the trust is the main thing in this whole process. Like, if any company asking for your service, and if they don't trust on your service and the platform you are offering, they will not give you their data, and it will be, of course, not working. So as per platform, they are claiming that they are giving SO2 level type 2 compliant and GDPR ready environment, and they are giving the platform that is cloud-based secure platform, and most of the companies are doing NDAs with you if you are giving the services to them, and they don't want to leak their data or any type of information they are sharing with you. So second thing is, the platform is secure, you can trust on it as well, and you can make business workflows for your client, or maybe for your business, and it will be working very fine. And third thing is, you are not alone to make business processes in that platform. Even you can make up teams, and teams are working on the large workflows, and all workflows are connecting using the AI, and the whole business is working like a large machine, and the output is of course as per the business KPIs, and you can get the output for business growth. And furthermore, there are many other things, like the GUI is the state of the art. The people who know that, means how to use the Shopify, how to use the drag and drop, like a Webflow or other web building platforms, how you can drag and drop the items, and you can make a very perfect website. So here you can also drag and drop the modules and the apps around the globe that are using for the business growth. You can use them, you can drag them, you can connect them, you can collect the data from your sources, from the external sources, from the web sources, from anywhere around the globe, and then you can pass on this data to the LLMs, and at the end you will get the output as you are looking for. So these are some reasons I had in mind to tell you you should start at least with the make.com and start learning, and learn the other concepts that are required to make a successful AI automation platform. So that's the introduction. In the next video, we will be visiting the make.com platform, their website, their claims, and maybe we will also learning the data structures or other terms that we'll be using in the whole course. So stay tuned, and the next video you will learn how you can use the make.com platform, and how you can build your first workflow and scenario in that platform. See you in the next video.